What's going on, folks? Welcome back to the Don McCord YouTube channel. I'm standing here next to this gorgeous piece of machinery, the Peterbilt 362, 1981. So the last video I did on this truck was where I replaced the solenoid switch so that everything works in the cab now. And my microphone crapped out on me as I was going inside to get the keys and came back out, and I recorded for like 20 minutes and then realized I didn't have any sound whenever I went back and looked at it again. So I thought I'd do a little, demonstration of how everything works now. And I will tell you that the heat works. I did convert the old R12 Freon system on the truck, so I converted it over to R134A, so now I have AC as well. Just amazes me that 41 years old and the AC system came back to life the way it did. So let's get to it. Climb up in here without falling. Alright. So let's get y'all set up where y'all can see. Find the key. Got it this time. Alright. So we should see low oil pressure and low air, and we should hear low air warning buzzer or beeper on this one. It's kind of annoying, sorry about that. Well, if the key would turn, guess it would help if I put the right one in. There we go. There you have it, everything works. Everything over here works now. You see all the switches light up. All of these switches work now. And check this out, even my fuel sender works, in one tank at least. But yeah, the tachometer works. Speedometer, as you can see, when I turn the key off, it'll go back to below zero. You see that? Now when I turn the key back on, so the speedometer works, the tach works, all the gauges now work on the dash. Fuel sending unit, which is a major plus, because I mean, in all reality, it does have a fuel crossover on the bottom, so I only need, one fuel sending unit to work. I'll probably end up replacing the other one just so it's perfect. But yeah, she's building there. She's already up to 30. Truck builds air pretty quick too. So. And you can see I put the dash back together. Yeah, it looks a lot different than the last time y'all were in here. We were digging all up in this area here, but let's test out this AC. And it works in the sleeper as well. Oh yeah, the sleeper blows better than the actual um, blower in the floor for the dash. So, but yeah, so everything's working. Just wanted to give y'all a little update. Got cold air, hot heat. Everything's good. Thanks for coming by, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment.